doing. I've done some thread already, but on second thoughts, guys, I'm doing it like this. This is pressing against it, so it's kind of square, and I'm not switching the lathe on, just turning this bit at a time like this. So that's kind of working. Hopefully I'll get a better thread put on there, like a squarish. I'll carry on doing that. So guys, I made this threaded it both sides M4, and it is for the piston. So where are we? This will go this side of the piston. That'll be the piston thing, that side. And I've got to make something to go on there. So I think that's my next project there. Okay guys, I'm going to make the connector for the other side of this here, and I've got it set up in there. I'm not really worried about the sizes, I'm just going with the flow as it were, but at the end it should all work out. And if it doesn't, it's not my fault. I started the drill hole there, and I'm using 3.25 drill bit, but I'm going to make it into, sorry, 3.25. I'm going to make it into a M4 cap there. I'm going to drill a hole through there, and then I'm going to cut it off, and that'll be done then. So guys, I've made it. There it is. Okay, so basically I put the hole there, right, and I'll put the tap through there, so it should be okay. This part you might say, what's this about? Well, that's just me messing about, prettifying it. So yeah, that's it now. Yeah guys, so what's going to happen is that piece there going on this end here, like that, and then obviously a bar will go through there. So basically it will work like that. So okay, this is bigger than the drawing I've got. So I'm going to have to adjust everything else accordingly. Not a problem, it should work fine. But that's that. I think I'll have to super glue this in here, and it'll stay there. So guys, I was just going to put this M4 bit in there, but I'm thinking I'll just do the proper thing. So I'm doing this again on both sides, and then it'll go on there. And then I'll make a nut for that. So the spring will go on there, and the nut will go on top of that. So guys, I've made this now, right, and that will go, the small end will go in there like that. I'll probably super glue that down. Make sure it's flush against the main thing that's going to swivel on. And the other end now, I'm just going to make like a nut screw onto there. So the spring will go there, nut will go there. So guys, I bought myself a parting tool, and these are the bits that came with it. I'm not exactly sure how to use it, but I'm going to try it now. Why not? So guys, the machinist has put this in for me, told me that the high end goes at the top, but what he's done a little nick just there, so the saw just flies off like that, and he told me to go at a slower speed. We'll see how it works. So I've cut it off, guys, and it's the last bit I'm going to do now. So that's it, guys. That was a lot of work there, to be honest with you. So I've done that one there. That will fit in there nice and tightly. And I've just made this little thing that goes at the end here. And the spring obviously goes there. So that's that one. I love it. Okay. And the other one I did was to make that rod and this thing. I know it doesn't look a lot, but trust me, it took me a long time to do it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, thumbs up, and probably see what we can do next time.